The batteries and banks are very dangerous. Many will be faced in order to raise young here. The species of bird you are watching has built its nest on banks that are full of crocodiles. It moves very slowly and tries to avoid a crocodile's attention. Particularly uses areas crocodiles build. That is, crocodiles are very calm and docile during egg-laying time and do not present danger to the bird. In time, the bird's eggs begin and chicks. Both the mother and father bird fiercely use their own bodies to shield their young and dangerous lizards. The lizard bird, but the bird die in order to save its chicks. The lizard gives up of the bird's determination and courage. Hungry and aggressive, approaches the on a different display. This directly approaches an injured bird and invites the aggressor to attack her. She thus attracts the danger of the nest. The crocodile the injured bird nest. Its attention is then drawn by a lizard, and it moves away entirely. Thanks to the inspired in the mother and father birds risk their lives to protect their young.